If you have recently received a payment on your Wise account using your Wise account receiving account details or on absolutely on your Wise account, how can you get or withdraw that amount to your bank account that is balanced on your Wise? So, for receiving funds on Wise, firstly, you have to enable and verify yourself. And once you have done it, when you receive any payment on your Wise account, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you in this video. As you can see, this is my Wise account, and I will log into my Wise account right now. Because I'm a new customer of Wise, I will simply select and set up my account here, and the rest of the process will be same for every account. Now, the main thing to understand is you don't need to actually manually withdraw your balance of your Wise account to your local bank account. Instead, Wise automatically processes the payment to your local bank account, which you have added on your Wise in about 24 to 48 hours. So, yes, there is no manual thing to do with or to transfer money to your account. That is all automatic. And once you receive the funds, automatically you will receive them in about 2 to 3 days in your bank account. Thank you so much for watching this video.